Hi, I'm Kit Rich, your trainer. Welcome to KICHGO. This routine is beginner mat Pilates with my friend Irene Gaffey, who will be the body today. Let's begin. So lying onto your back, you want to check in with the back rib cage there, closing your ribs down and keeping a neutral spine. Lifting one leg up at a time into tabletop position, holding that. You want to feel your lower abs pulled in, your knees right in line with your hips, and your heels slightly above your knees. We're gonna keep your legs there today. If you can, I want you to lift off your shoulder blades, extending your arms forward slightly above the mat, and let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, out. You're gonna be doing this for 10. In and out. Through the nose, out the mouth. Good. And in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out. You're halfway there. Go in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In, out. 3 more here. Go in, out. Last 2 here. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, out. Last one. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. Very good. Gently come on up to sit. We're going to practice modified roll-ups. You're going to take your legs bent, placing your hands behind your thighs. And from here, you're going to, as though I have a string attached below your belly button, you're going to tuck your pelvis just a little bit and roll down, walking your hands down your thighs. Hold that right there. Use your abs to crawl yourself back up. You can make the range of motion small or big depending on your strength. You want to try to keep your feet on the floor as you roll yourself back up. Let's just do one more there. Rolling down, pull into your lower abs to bring yourself back up. Very nice, and then roll down all the way onto your back. For leg circles. For those of you with tight hamstrings, you're gonna wanna keep your legs bent here. If you're a little more flexible, feel free to straighten them out, but for today, we're gonna keep your legs bent. Then you're gonna take one leg up to the sky. So I'm gonna ask Irene to take her right leg up. And again, if you have tight hamstrings, you're gonna notice your leg is bent and maybe you wanna turn your knee out to the side so there's not too much pressure in your quad or your hip flexor. Irene's a little bit more flexible, so we're gonna extend her leg back up. And she's gonna circle to her left with her right leg up. Inhale, circle, and exhale up. Again, circle and up. Just 3 more. 3 and up, and 2 and up. 1 more. Now reverse it. Make sure that your hips are staying stable, that you're really pulling into your belly button and you have a strong back connection. Very good. And switch. Other leg up and go. Inhale, circle. Yes. Big exhale when that leg comes back up. 2 more in this direction. Looking really good. 1 more. And now reverse it. Inhale, exhale. Watch those hips. Keep them stable. 3 more. Looking strong. Last. Good. Last one right here. And relax it down. Pulling one knee into your body. Hug it with both hands. Come into a crunch position, floating your other leg, hovering over the floor. For those of you who need a little bit more support, your leg is going to be a little higher. Otherwise, we take it low and just alternate legs. Going for 10, 9, 8, 7. Lower abs pulled in. Going 5 and 4. Good. And 3, 2. 1 more each leg. Hug both knees. Rest your head down. Great. Please know if this ever bothers your neck, to keep your head down at all times. Otherwise, come back into the crunch position. You're still holding onto your ankles. The arms are going to go back by the ears as the legs extend on an inhale. Exhale, circle the arms, pull the knees into the body. Just 4 more. Inhale and exhale. Good. Strong abs here. As you extend, really pull into your lower abs. Yes. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Well done. Come on to sit up for me. We're going to practice spine stretch forward. 2 more moves before we're done. You're doing great. So notice that Irene's legs are a little bit wider than her hips. Her feet are flexed, so she's getting that work. However, if you can't sit up really tall, you want to make sure that you bend your knees so that you can grow tall through your waistline here. But I'm going to ask Irene to straighten her legs back out because she's super flexible. Extending your arms forward. You're going to inhale as you grow taller through the waist. Exhale, round forward, going for that nice stretch of the back, holding that position. Then inhale, roll up the spine, stacking the vertebra. Exhale, staying there. Inhale, rise through the torso. Exhale, round forward, stretching out the back and the hamstrings. Inhale, roll up the spine. Head is the last thing to rise. Exhale, 1 more time. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, round forward, pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Inhale, roll up. and exhale at the top. Now I'm gonna get out of Irene's way because we're gonna go for saw. You're gonna take your legs a little bit wider than your hips, still with flexed feet. Arms are out to the side. Sit up tall, inhale. Exhale, reach to the opposite foot, and I'm gonna have Irene hold that there for a moment. Notice that her arms are in a diagonal position. It's as though she's sawing off her pinky toe and she's really stretching. And then come back to center, inhale. And exhale, hold this position here. Really find that stretch to the back. We're gonna do 2 more each side, picking up the pace. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. 1 more each side to complete. Inhale, exhale, twist. And last one, inhale, exhale, twist. Come back to center, bring your legs together, and reach for your toes for the stretch. Well done. You did it.